This is Alice Mercanti, Publishing Systems Support Specialist at Cochrane. Today we'll show you the project management features available in RevMan. Project management features help you define organization templates for different types of review projects. Log into the Cochrane RevMan Portfolio pages with your organizational and administrator role. In Units and Administrators, you have an overview of the administrators, the units, and the unit leads. You can also add new units, new administrators, manage administrator invitations, or download project reports. The subscription details provides the subscription specifications for your organization. The users page displays all the users belonging to the organization that you can search filtering by name or by email. You can also download a user's report. Next, from the milestones page, you can configure the milestones for your project, adding up to 6 of them and editing their name. You can do so by clicking on the 3 dots. If you want to edit, for example, milestones could be first draft, editorial input incorporated, peer review feedback incorporated, and review finalized. They are customizable to help you more easily organize your work across projects. When you remove a milestone, you'll see a message saying that this action will result in that milestone being removed from all existing projects and project templates, along with all the associated data and tasks. If you're okay with it, click OK, Continue. Once the milestones have been defined, go to the next page, Project Types, from the left-hand menu. Here, you can add and edit project types. Click Add Project Type and give it a name. Then click Add Project Type. You can go directly to Edit Milestone Properties for this project type. Here, you can edit the display name of each milestone and decide whether each milestone is applicable or not. A project may be developing a protocol, writing the first version of a full review, updating a review, or amending a review. For this reason, a single review may go through several projects over time, but has at most only one project at any given time. If you haven't done so when you created the new project type, select the project type to be able to edit the milestones and templates that apply to the project type. Then move to the Project Templates page to add templates with default tasks that can be used when a project is started within your organization. To add a new template, click Add Project Template, select the project type, and give the project template a name. Then click Add Project Template. You can either go directly to edit tasks for the project template or select the project template from the list at a later time. In the Edit Project Template screen, you can click on Add Task to add one or more tasks to each of the milestones available. For example, if you create a project template for an intervention review protocol, the first task could be define research question. And after having defined the name, you can also define the default duration, for instance, 10 days. You can then add as many tasks as you need within each project template. Then, for each intervention review or protocol you're working on, these tasks will be part of your workflow. Changes to project types and templates only impact new reviews and not existing ones. If you edit a template, it won't affect a review that was already created using that specific template. If you're looking for additional information from the knowledge base, or if you need to report a problem, you can do so by clicking on the question mark icon in the top bar. Thank you for watching this demo.